Hello, Windows users. Has this happened to you? Your desktop is full of files and folders. Stay tuned. We're going to show you in 2 steps how to fix this. So how do we tidy up our desktop? You can, of course, go through and get rid of things that you don't need. You can put them all into a single folder, or you can just close your eyes and pretend it never happened. So that's what the tip is for today. If you right-click on the desktop, choose View, and go to the last one here, Show Desktop Icons. You can see the little check mark says it's on. Turn it off. Presto. You've now cleaned up your desktop. Now, you and I know that you haven't really, but the thing is, you don't see it. Out of sight, out of mind, I suppose. So there's the tip. You can easily turn that back on again, go to View and Show Desktop Icons, and they're all back. Oh no! If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.